This is productivity. Productivity means if you are having any favorite, right? Now you can see this is an icon. This is called as a follow button. If I click on follow button, if I click on follow, that means any transaction, anybody who do some changes within this particular account, I will get a notification because I am following up. Same with and flagging. If I am flagging it, okay, if I am flagging it, then what in future, if I want to search my account and immediately go and do the changes, I can go here, any flagged item, I can go here, I can see the flag. And I can do the changes immediately, go and directly without searching in the system. That is what a flag option. Favorite, if this is favorite of mine, I'll just click on favorite, it will again come here under a favorite bar. Under favorite bar. And whatever changes happens to this favorite can also be tracked. I will also get a notification for that. Secondly, there is a tag. If I am creating a hashtag, right? How we created Twitter and all. You can also create a hashtag. And on basis of that hashtag, any changes happen, whoever people has added that hashtag, right? A subscriber created. So those people will have an information of these changes in the account. So some kind of social media flavor has also been.
So all the purpose is same, no? The favorites, flag, and follow up, and hashtag. All suppose.
Correct. Functionality is same, that you will get a notification. You will get a quick reach out to this particular area. Follow up means you will get a notification. Flagging means that means you need to sort it out, right? From other that in all the flag item, you want to sort your information. So that can be sorting out. For favorite, yes, it is your favorite. You want a notification or a hashtag, which is favorite. You can see it's hashtag 1772. The name is, earlier the name was Deport Georgia, but I add a hashtag 1772. So the nomenclature changed to Georgia hash 177. If I remove this hashtag, this name will all now comes to Georgia.
But this is consultants. This is the feature.
Business user what? See,
business users. This is providing to the business users. Is it also authorizations wise, or is it default comes for every account?
No, see, normally it comes to the default. Now, authorization wise, like business user, what they want to see. If they want to see a different user interface for prospect or customer, according to their business role, that can be controlled. Like
the four icons. I don't want to provide. Why should I provide? See,
this as a control part.
Yeah, why should I provide each and every? There may be so many people. Okay, I don't want to provide those follow up.
So this can be controlled. This can be controlled. And the settings, when you go right, you can remove this. This will not be there for that. But as a best practices, you can give it. Don't explain the relevance of this. They will not ask you. But yes, if you don't require to give, you can control that.
Yeah, as an account head, suppose I'm an account header. Okay, I don't want to give access to. See, I want to keep track of the Georgia account. I only want to track. I don't want to my subordinates. I don't want to track them. Okay, when there is no need for them.
See, what will happen in that case? You can have an access restriction on basis of territory or sales data, right? And on the sales data, you will have those information for you, right? And you only can do a follow-up. Your subordinate, because he's not having an access to territory or something, he cannot see Deport Georgia for them. Right? So you can also have a control from here. Not this control is required. It is not very important part. The control is normally in the sales data level, account level, or something. View access or whatever they want to view, you can have control.
Okay.
Now, this is what you can have a view, look and feel how you want to see the search criteria and everything. So these are all the basic settings you need to do. You can see here, this is what, there is an integration with commerce, marketing, Prim. So you can have this icon. So it will open a third party SSO.
So one sir. So regarding what we discuss adaptation. So for any object, any account, anything, any accounts or contacts or sales, sales transaction, service transaction, service contracts. For any object, if you want to do adaptation, we have to come here. This is the only place, or is there any other place we can do adaptations? That means we any suppose account, now we have, just for example, we have taken account object. For one account we have added one field, and we have tried to mandatory some fields, some dependency fields we have done. In the same fashion, if I want to do these kind of settings for other objects like sales, services, and some contracts, is the same place I have to come, or do I have any other settings?
No, adaptation and all is the same for everything. Only your screen will be changing. Contract or also, like for example, I want to go to activities. Screen will get changed, but your this function remains the same. You can go and do an adaptation. It will call out that screen, and that there only you can do the change. It's not a separate. Only the screen change. Rest all the things will be same.
Okay, so what about sectioning of the so just go to the any other accounts or something, whatever that we have opened, customers accounts. When you open this Georgia, so here detailed page we have taken, the bottoms are the still we call it the overview. These are the any
this
other
is a header information.
and
this
what
is all,
these are all assignment pages, or what they are called here.
Achha, this page.
No, this is detailed page. I can understand this detailed page, na?
Detailed page.
What is overview, contacts, account team, the tabs, or what we call
these
them?
are called as a tabs. Tabs or a facet. FACET, facet.
Facets. Okay.
So these are different facets which will have information. Like in on-premise also we have tabs, right?
Assignment tabs. Different. Okay.
Different assignment tabs. This is all.
These are all relevant contacts, relevant account teams, or relationships, buying centers, leads. Okay.
Lead, opportunity, everything will be there related to this particular.
Suppose here, sir. Suppose if I have some custom table I have created. Yeah, I think you can create. No, we can create custom table.
Okay. Here you cannot create custom table. At a backend only level you can create custom table. So that create custom field, but yes, you can also have a custom object.
Here in this
facet you can create. Yes.
So that need to be related to the accounts object, accounts table.
See, when you're creating a facet, additional facet or an object here, it will implies to all your accounts. Okay, and if you want to make it specific to an account, that can also.
So all these facets or tabs, whatever assignment blocks in our on-premise, this marketing attribute, market permissions, visits, and attachment, these are all separate tables in that.
All are separate tables. All are separate tables.
All are separate tables, which are linked to these accounts.
Which are linked. Why? Because to make it as an account 360 degree. 360 means this account entire information can be seen in one screen. Okay. So you can see lead information, loan, insight, sales data, contract, ticket, sales order, all the information in one account.
So this is the only page design what we have in C4C. The top is always details and bottom is
no, you can have other design also that can be controlled here. You can go in the settings. Okay. Here there is business rule wise disable download button, flags. You told right that I don't want to give flag, favorites. You can go and disable this from here.
What they made is 2 rows. There is no columns there. Okay, the page layout looks for me is 2 rows. in the top row they have.
I'm coming to that. I know. There is another view of that. Now here, what is saying? Above is a header, and then below is this.
I mean, below row, what he made again? He made some tabs. Okay.
The view can also be changed. Like left hand side, this header can be in the left hand side, and this tabs will be in the right hand side.
Okay.
You mean to say that or something else?
Yeah, that's all. Though I'm just designing, page designing. Still, SAP top is detail page, bottom is detail again
No.
page.
Here you got a flexibility to change the design also. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you can
See,
have
see,
this.
I discussed so many some of the clients, they don't like this screen at all.
I know. See,
This again in C4C same screens. No, that
no.
is
That is correct. That is correct. I agree to your point. There is different view. Okay. This is what one different view and another. If I check this,
why? Because the detail page occupied half of the screen, and if he want to see some any contact details, he has to drag the vertical bar down, and then he will miss accounts details.
correct. I understood your point. And that is definitely is a changeable thing. You can do the changes.
Keeping this, I postponed my C4C11 because of some of the product things.
See here, disable header information from top.
Okay.
If you click here,
it
will and enable side panel. So if you click here, this header information from the top will get disabled.
Okay. Account setting. Okay. Now you have accounts main heading. Particular to. Okay, I can open multiple accounts, sir, in the same.
Yeah. You can see now when I'm doing this settings, it will don't go to account. It is directly go to a setting. Do this, and you can assign to specific business one.
Okay,
and do that particular settings.
Okay.
Then disable vertical split view of a master detail. That is, this is a vertical split view, right? So that's you want to disable. You can disable it. Then you need to enable nearby search, enable auto adjustment, enable flat list navigation menu. Flat list if you want. That you can do enable.
Still it is. Do you feel that the 360-degree view of the customer it covers? Still, I don't believe it is covering the all the 360 view of the customer.
Coming to a 360 part, it is all a discussion and debate part. Okay.
No, 360 view of the page. Okay, suppose I am a call center agent. If I want to view my customer information in a 360, I don't want to change anything. I don't want to click. I don't have time to click on loans, marketing insight, again going I don't have time. Okay, as a customer service agent and call center, I lifted the call. I have to speak with the customer. I seeing all of it. That means it should cover all the 360-degree things of the customer in a screen without changing anything.
Okay. This report will give you entire view of contact.
Yeah, this is the account PDF file of accounts.
If customer don't have time, want to see entire view, you can directly click on summary and this will get open up.
Okay, got it, sir. This is okay. Same old fashioned.
It's an old fashioned, but this is how normally. And then there is another area where you can see a report. Okay, you can create a report. Second is when you disable this, your 360, your right hand side, but the tab will be in the similar fashion. This header will be in the right hand side.
Yeah, normally see we have we can design, the navigation bar moves out and we can put all the customer information, and when I click a list of customers in one side, when I click on the list of any one customer, his details should be appear on the mid, and if I need some more kind of activity, suppose some email activities or any activities, but I need to again I can have
I
some, but
got it. I got your query now. Like for example, I click here and then the right hand side there would be a detail of this particular customer.
yes, I don't want to change this. I still I could see this view, and on top of that I should have one more view which details. See, as soon as I click, it goes out.
See,
Okay.
one is when you click here.
Yeah, this looks somewhat better, but yeah.
This is what one of the view.
Hmm.
If you want detail, then only click here. Otherwise,
Yeah.
this will give you a time.
Okay, some better. Yeah, some better view. Yeah, contents. Notes. Okay.
When you click here, directly it will open this.
No, this is open. The console, some kind of. It's not a console. Also, it's a dynamic page. Okay.
Yeah, dynamic page.
Mm.
So this is what one of the view you can. Second is search criteria. C4C, you have search criteria very detailed.
Okay.
You can have this way.
So
If you want wholesale trade.
So, sir, the first screen, what we call that is called a list view, or any what exactly we call that one? The pile one. Before this dashboard, this what we call this view?
This is an overview.
Global view.
Global view, or we can tell what we say.
List view. Can we call it a list view?
List view also, it's a nomenclature same, but yes, global overview screen, whatever.
In list view, we are seeing different kind of filter data. This is all data. Is
See, your view can also be changed.
Table
view. You can have a chunk view.
Chunk view. Okay.
You can also have a large image view.
Okay, this is what I'm asking. Large. Okay.
You can also have multiple medium image view. You can see multiple. You can change the view for it. They will like it, right? If you want a map view, according to your address, there will be a map view. Or the addresses, according to that, you will see that.
Okay.
Multiple views, calendar views also can be seen.
Okay.
All the account according to date wise and everything can be seen.
Okay.
So views can be adjusted.
So with this view, okay, this is only views. Okay, so nothing much useful here.
It's all your views. Like for example, if you told, right, I just
what is the use of this chunk view, sir? What is why he has provided this chunk view?
See, like for example, in one screen, I want to have a quick information what exactly I want to see without opening a detail. Right. So in the chunk view, I can go each and every account and see it's an account ID, external ID, email and owner. That is okay. That is what I want, this information. And this information can be adjusted in the chunk. Only I just want an information. Like for example, if I go to this table, see here, table view, what I get account name, contact.
The same I am getting email details.
But I need to do what I need to do. I need to drag here. Right? I don't want
so
this scroll bar.
I can directly edit here, sir. Can I edit directly here?
Yes.
Suppose email wrongly.
See here, this is an edit button. Yeah. No need to go enter within the system. Click here and enter and go and change. You can directly go here, click here, and you can change.
So what is the top level? Also, there is a edit pencil icon is there.
See, there are two editors. This is called as an inline editor. Okay, inline editor means within a line you can edit.
Okay.
And top editor means you can do a changes in entire.
Okay.
You can have additional, click on additional field. You can add all the information from here on. So it's a very flexible screen, very smart screen, what we can say. So, and now I told you, right, for this table view, I need to scroll here and see the information. Business user don't want that. I don't want to scroll. Give me something. What I will do, I'll give a chunk. For a chunk, I don't need to scroll. I will get all the information. Understood
Okay.
the difference?
Yeah.
If client says, no, I want a large, I want an image and have more information. So I will give this information. They can have this detailed information here. They want more, then I can also
What
add
is the
this
what is the checkboxes, sir? So bottom checkboxes.
this one,
Yeah, checkbox. By
presentation.
here,
This
both
is
are
below
here.
field. All the field information. We check it. Sorting out.
Okay.
So if something on the map you have seen that, like all these information can be well controlled. How the view they want, they can be
Okay. This map use specific to the accounts and
specific
contacts.
to account. Yes.
And if I open the sales orders or the contacts, that then that point of time I won't see the map view.
No, the view depend on the object to
Object.
object, right?
Object.
Now,
Object.
if it is in the sales order, for example, I
Mm.
go sales order. The view only chunk view and table, not a multiple views.
Just opens our opportunities or opportunity. Click on the opportunity. Opens.
So you will have a map view and an opportunity.
Okay.
All on the address part. This address part.
Yeah, India. Yes. Okay. That's why.
So this is how.
This is
Suppose I haven't come to a scoping till now. Okay,
sir.
and then
Whatever we are seeing. This is the latest release, no, sir?
it's the latest. See how will you come to know about the latest release? When you go here, click on help.
Okay.
Or click on about. So when you click on about, 2211
2211 means
last
okay.
year
This is
22 November.